Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So the very first method what you need to do is to check the system requirements. So go to the Steam under and on store option you have to search for the game, then go below and here you can find the requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all these requirements and after that launch the game and see if it works. If not, next is to install the game from the installation folder. So what you need to do is go to Steam. Now under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now select the game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. This is the game application. You simply have to double click on it. Now after double clicking on it, check if the game is launching or not. If not, you have to run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and this helps or not, check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next solution is to delete save game files. So for that you have to go to the users folder, then open app data folder and then find for Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection folder, select and delete it. Once done, launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will search for the best drivers, and after updating your drivers, now check if you can launch the game. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now try to play the game. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issue. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and here you have to check for the game. Now if it is not listed, don't worry, click on allow another app, go to the browse section, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. Now after selecting the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Now after this, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, settings, in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is disabled, well and good. If not, click on it to disable it and after that launch the game. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link already provided in the description, or you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Now after downloading, install them, and once installed, restart your PC and then log into the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to check if any update is available. Click on check for updates option and it will search if any update is there. After updating your Windows, launch the game and see if you can play it. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, first check your motherboard model, then visit set support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally, restart your system and then test for the game and check if it's working. Next is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings and click on Advanced. Click on Change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and in the maximum size, type 24576. After that, click on Set and then click on OK. Now after this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under Library section, right click on it, click on Manage, now click on Uninstall and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game and then click on play button and check if you can play it. So by this way, you can fix any kind of issues while launching or playing Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.